So I have a Remington rm4218 chainsaw, and my on-off switch broke. It still works. I just used the carb to turn it on and off, but I got a new one. And I'm trying to do it. I didn't find any instructions online how to do it. So I'm trying to figure out by myself, and I think I got it. So there's two wires on it. There's a ground, I think, and an on and off. And when they close, when you close these two, it turns on, and mine's stuck in the on position, or maybe that's the default. And it connects, the white one connects here. The red one, there's a screw here. You take off, and it goes there. So to get to it, I took off the cover with 4 Allen key bolts. So this comes off so I can access this wire. And from the top, I took off the air filter box, the cover, which has 4 Allen keys around it, 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and then two Phillips head screws. So that came off. Then I got 2 of the carburetor screws off to get more access there. And the carburetor, I think you could leave it in. It's just hanging in there with the with all the connections, with all the fuel connections. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook onto the cable that's already in. This one's already out, so I can connect these two and pull it in through the same way that it was in, and it just routes underneath here. One goes onto the screw, the other one here. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna use a piece of wire to do that through the hole with the switch. That just pops off with a flathead screwdriver, or I have one of these wedge tools, so you can remove that. And yeah, I already got this wire out. So next I'm going to, before I pull this wire here out completely, I'm just going to attach it to this and route it through the same way, so I don't know what's going on down there, and I don't want to take it apart any further. So hope that helps you guys.